Hi student, in this session we are learning about the industrial products. Industrial products. This is fourth one. It is a industrial product. Industrial product. Okay. What is industrial products? Or we have to write the white biotechnology. White biotechnology. Biotechnology. Okay. See, industrial product means it is a chemicals. See, this like prepared can be produced through the less expensive process. Less expensive process. We are getting the number of product from industries only. See, industrial chemical product. See, we have to see the industrial chemicals can be produced see through less expensive process. Through less expensive process. See, this is a industrial product. Number of industrial products we are getting. See, like we have to see the example sugar molasses. See, transgenic yeast, we are preparing the alcohol. Alcohol is preparation from sugar molasses. See, we have to see the sugar molasses. We already learned. Sugar molasses. See, can be in the presence of transgenic yeast is preparing the alcohol. See here, transgenic yeast. Already transgenic yeast. See, in the presence of transgenic yeast, we already learn about the transgenic. See, alcohol is prepared from the sugar molasses in the presence of which one? Transgenic yeast. Next, we have to learn fifth one. What said? Food biotechnology. Food biotechnology. Biotechnology. See here, food biotechnology. Food items like bread, wine, yogurt and vinegar. See, is a presence in the preparation with the help of microbes. See, we already learned this one also. Food items like bread, okay, cheese, yogurt, and we have to see the vinegar, etc. preparing with the help of microbes. See, microbes. With the help of microbes only. Next, we have to see the DNA fingerprinting. What is DNA fingerprinting? See, we have to see the here DNA fingerprinting. DNA fingerprinting. DNA sequence of each person is unique. See, we have to see the fingerprint. Sequence is a unique. We have to see the each and every person's the DNA sequence is a unique is there. Mainly useful in forensic science. See, to identify the criminal, to identify the father of any child. See, this is a DNA sequence is a each person for unique. DNA sequence is unique. Each and every person for this DNA sequence is a unique is there. Next, what said? It is a mainly useful in forensic science. Mainly useful for forensic science. It is a forensic science. We have to see the DNA is a unique and mainly used in forensic science to identify the criminal. See, to identify the criminal. Okay. Next, to identify it is a to identify father of any child. Father of any child. Father of any child. Any child. See, this like using if is there occurring in a criminal, see any murder case, they can see there is a falling the there traces blood hairs. See, they can use the detection of criminal for this, and we have to see the identify of the father. See, whose father? See, this child they don't know, but mother know whose father. See, mother is saying the your father is this one, this person. See, if a father is not agree with that is not my child, see what will we do? See here we have to take their samples, blood, see this like hairs, and we have to observe the both DNA. If a DNA is a same is there and this child in father, see it is a we can easily detect the father. See this like is there. This research is performed in the Center for DNA. See, this research where is done? See, this research is done in Hyderabad. Hyderabad. Okay, research center is a Hyderabad present. See, DNA fingerprinting and diagnostic center, Hyderabad. See, this is a about the see DNA fingerprinting. Okay, next one is a environmental biotechnology. See, in olden days, olden techniques, microbial techniques, there is no. But we have to see the, we have to remove the, see this like bioremediation, biopesticides, biofertilizers and biosensor we have to use. See, old technique. What is the old technique is there? Old technique. In this old technique, see microbial technique, using of the microbes and It is a cleaning the using of microbial technique. Microbial technique. Next we have to see the new one. What is the new one is there here? New technique. New technique. What said? Here is a see bioremediation. What is bioremediation? Next, biopesticides. And we have to learn bioremediation also. See, first one is a bioremediation. Biopesticides. Pesticides. And see, biofertilizers. Biofertilizers and biosensors. Okay. See, we have to learn this one. Biopesticides. What is the biopesticides? For example, at your home, number of rats is there. Number of rats. See, rats mainly is spoiling our food substances, making the holes, and it is a consuming the food substances and spoiling of the food substances. How to control the rat? See, without using any chemicals. See, we have to see, there is a, if a cat is there, cat is a controlling the rat. Cat is a controlling the rat. See, this like we have to use the biopesticides. Okay. Next, biofertilizers. What is biofertilizers? See, we have to add to the, see these, for example, earthworm is there. Biofertilizers. See, earthworm is secreting through their skin. It is a nitrogenous waste. If I increasing these earthworm, what will happen? Ammonia rich in that soil. See, what will happen? Automatically our land will be fertile. See, this like. And biosensors. Next we have to learn the bioremediation. Bioremediations. What is bioremediations? Bioremediation, absorption or destruction of toxic. Absorption or destruction. Absorption, see, or destruction of toxic. See, absorption or destruction of toxic. And what's it? Chemicals and harmful pollutants. See, the chemicals and harmful pollutants. Chemicals and harmful pollutants. Harmful pollutants with the help of plants and microorganisms. With the help of plants and microorganisms. Microbes. We have to write microbes also. See, what's it? See, chemicals and harmful pollutants with the help of plants and chemicals. We have to See this, like we are calling the bioremediation. If plants are used this purpose, this is called the phytoremediations. If plants are used this purpose, we are calling the phytoremediation. See, phytoremediation. What is phyto means? Phyto means plant. Phytoremediations. See, this like we are using the bioremediations also. Means is a controlling of the chemicals and harmful pollutants. Next we have to see the examples. Okay, Pseudomonas bacteria. See, this is Pseudomonas bacteria and useful for cleaning of hydrocarbons. See, we have to see the useful cleaning of hydrocarbons and oil pollutant from soil and water. And oil pollutant from soil and water. Okay, see, next we have to see the Fern teres vittata. Second one, Fern teres vittata. See, it is using for the absorption of arsenic from soil. Okay, so it is a absorption of arsenic from soil. Next, third one, sunflower, absorption of arsenic and uranium. Sunflower, absorption of it is a arsenic and uranium. See, where is the using? See, this arsenic, it is a releasing the harmful pollutant in our atmosphere. See, it is a ozone layer is a deflation. Next, gases alpha and chlorine. See, fourth one, so it is a gases alpha and chlorine. It is using in the phytoremediation. So it is using in phytoremediation. Next we have to see the fifth one. What said? Genetically modified variety. Modified variety. See, genetically modified variety. It is a of Indian mustard. Genetically modified variety of Indian mustard. What is mustard means? In Marathi we are calling tikya. Okay. Absorption of selenium from soil. See, selenium from soil. See, selenium from soil. And bacterium Deinococcus. See, radio durations observe the absorption of the radiation from radioactive debris. See, radioactive debris means, CTG debris means kachra. So it is the absorption of radioactive debris. See, this is about the, this is a type and useful of the this bacteria, these microbes is a using, and some our phytoremediation also using and cleaning the our environment. See.